How to sign up for a new account on Beacons.AI. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. Go ahead and open up your web browser and then click on the search bar to search for Beacons AI. Then you're going to have to click on the first link that you see, Beacons AI. You can get one link for everything. So click on the first link and you'll be taken directly to the sign up page. So if you have clicked on any of these other links, you should be prompted to log in here as well. So click on this option, start for free. You can claim your username as well. So once you click on start for free, you're going to have to enter your username. So let me just go ahead and enter the username and check if it's available. And if the username is available, you can just click on next. Now here are multiple options that you can continue with, like your Google account, Facebook, even with your Apple ID. All you have to do is enter your name here, then enter the email address that you want to connect your account with, then just create a strong password. And once you've done that, click on I'm not a robot to complete the CAPTCHA. So let's just click on all of the bicycles quickly. Once that is done, you can just click on verify. I'm going to click on create account. And you should be able to successfully create your Beacons AI account. So now it's signing in to our new account. Wait for a bit. Now you can just add your social sites like your username for Instagram. So let's just click on continue. And we're almost ready. So it has fetched out our Instagram account. So this is definitely me. So I'm going to click on this is me. Let's just select our template for now. So you could do this later as well. Now it will gather all of your links that's on your Instagram and click on next. Click on next again and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next one.